I was just here maybe 2 hours ago. How did I get here again? My 9 to 5 hours are draining all my energy. How did I get here again? A melodramatic nature's gonna do me in. How did I get here again?
Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Welcome to today's or this week's adventure, shall we say. I'm actually up in the Lake District at the moment, and for those that don't really know the UK that well, Lake District is kind of I guess northwest part of England. Absolutely stunning scenery. I'm here, today's Monday, I'm here till Thursday, so I've got a few days here. I've arrived at my first location, which is Ashness Bridge, which is just down here. I've got a lot of childhood memories around here as well. I've just been having a look at the lakes and things like that. This is a little packhorse bridge down by Derwent Water, where you've got the town of Keswick. And I'm camping near there up in the camper van. So yeah, this is a place I came to when I was probably about 6. I got great memories of it, so this is one of the first places I thought I'd come and have a look at. Got some stunning views over the lake as well just behind me. So we're going to take a little walk up into the woods now. But today's really just about getting used to the area. We're doing a little bit of a circular tour of the lake. So I thought I'd bring you guys with us. So just going to explore the rest of this valley, I think, from Ashness Bridge up. There's a little tarn or lake at the top, and hopefully a cafe that might be open. But just walking through this woodland by the bridge, and hopefully I'm going to get a viewpoint over the lake in a moment. But essentially this woodland has been restored back by the National Trust and their rangers, because it used to be part of the English rainforest, which kind of covered the whole of the western of the UK, which was Wales, England, Scotland and Ireland. So absolutely massive, massive rainforest. It's absolutely beautiful, lovely woodlands. You can see behind me there. And what they're doing is they're keeping the sheep off, stopping the grazing, and they hope that this little fragmented bit of woodland will join another one as well. So they're trying to restore all that back, which I think is wonderful. So let's go and see if we can see this lake. Oh boy, would you look at that view? Isn't that just amazing? Oh, so beautiful. You can see other lakes further on down beyond. There's even down the bottom here some kayakers, which hopefully we might be doing when we're here, because we've got access to a couple of kayaks or canoes, so maybe we'll give that a go. Now, I'm used to animals making tracks in the woods, but this is really, really funny. So you can see here there's a load of ants actually coming along here, and if you look along you can actually see a complete path where all the ants have actually made a path. It's actually a different colour. You can actually see different coloured paths as the ants have made their way through the woods. But I can remember this as a kid, that there are these huge ants, or termites I guess, kind of thing. And they've got the huge mounds up here, so we'll see, maybe we'll follow the path and see if we can find one. Aha, there it is. Look at them. Thousands of them, probably millions of them. Oh boy, you don't want to step on that, that's for sure. Definitely don't want to step on that. Now, I don't know if you've ever been to the Lake District, but this is what I come for. It's just so beautiful. This is just one lake of many, and everywhere you go, and in the ancient woodlands, round the lakes, the views are stunning. Everything is just so beautiful, and it doesn't really matter what the weather's doing or anything like that, because you know what, it doesn't matter. It looks beautiful in the rain, it's going to look stunning in the sunshine. If you're into photography, yeah, you just got to be here really. You can see why so many people fall in love with this area of the UK. Just arrived at a place, or arriving at a place called Suprise View. So yeah, let's go and check it out. I guess it should give us some more wonderful views over Derwent Water from these woods, but I think this one's a little bit more accessible than the last. Definitely another stunning view of Derwent Water. You can see Keswick is right there over in the background, and then you've got the next lake beyond. But yeah, just stunning views again. A little bit further along than we were before, so we're kind of more towards the end of the lake but looking back. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous view. Well, we've made it to the top of the sort of valley at Watendlath, which is a tarn at the head of the valley, although it does actually carry on further on up. And I think actually this is an old drover's road, which is why you had the Ashness Bridge further on down. And it links back probably 900 plus years to when the monks over in Fountain Abbey in Yorkshire actually preferred the wool from the sheeps, or sheep shall I say, that were actually from this area. So they preferred the Cumbrian wool, and hence they sort of got the sheep from here and that sort of thing. So this is part of where they would have sort of driven through or drove through with all those sheep. And this is another example of a drover's bridge where they would have perhaps not driven a horse and cart across. This one is very, very narrow compared to Ashness Bridge, but again, another nice ancient little bridge over the river. And there's the tarn. We've just come up for a little bit of a viewpoint over the top of it, looking down with all the sheep around it in the surrounding area. Over to the left we've got the farm and the bothy, and there's a little cafe down there as well where we just enjoyed a nice sandwich and a cup of coffee while we're up here, so why not? Look, a couple of boats out there. Should we go and grab one and go on the lake? Although actually this is a fishing lake, so it is, you can come up here and go fishing if you want. So I guess they are hiring those out for those that want to go fishing.